No, no, no! I know I had it here yesterday. Where did my naughty and nice list file go? This year, the unthinkable has happened. My list, which I've spent my entire year perfecting, has disappeared from my computer just before the time came for me to make the final check. Because I have no way to remember which houses to deliver to, I'm afraid I'm going to have to cancel Christmas this year.
Technical Resource Solutions, this is Kathy. How can I help you? Oh, you've lost all your data? Huge emergency. What did you say your name was? Mrs. Claus! I'll page the IT team right away.
Alright guys, this year we need to perform another Christmas miracle. Santa has lost his list and we need to do everything we can to recover it. I'll get the tools.
Alright, I'll grab the cold weather gear.
How are they going to get to the North Pole? Are they driving to the airport?
Well, we've made some modifications this year since we keep having to save Christmas.
I see. Oh, I honestly was not expecting that.
Hey Joe, did you get a haircut?
I don't think so, but you look a little different too. Can't place it.
Is this what you're looking for, Santa?
You did it! I don't have to cancel Christmas. How can I ever repay you?
We're always happy to help, but there is one thing you can do to repay yourself. Set up recurring remote backups, and if you ever lose a file due to corruption or a breach again, we can help you recover it remotely. That way, you'll never have to cancel Christmas due to a lost file.
Santa and Claus, please report to the loading bay post haste.
Oh, that's my cue. I've got to fly, but please do set up those regular backups as soon as possible.
You got it, Santa.
Ho, ho, ho! Thank you, Technical Resource Solutions.